As a world-leading supplier of industrial, process, and specialty gases, and one of the most profitable engineering companies in the world, Linde understands what taking the lead is all about. For over 130 years, we've been driving technological progress through the innovation and leadership that is part of our DNA. At Linde, we make things possible. Our people take the initiative to find innovative solutions that translate into success for our customers. A culture of empowerment creates opportunities for our employees to learn and grow. Our people take pride in what they do because they are at the leading edge of our industry. Our attention to quality and details makes all the difference for our customers. At Linde, we are taking the lead. But what does it mean to take the lead? For starters, our people seize opportunities where they find them. We empower our people by fostering an open culture of direct responsibility, giving them challenging assignments they can grow from, as well as opportunities to experience and safely solve challenges every day. Secondly, we act on the belief that nothing is impossible. The more complex a situation, the harder we work to deliver a solution and accelerate fulfillment. Our people are dedicated and highly motivated to solve challenges, delivering continued growth and profitability for our organization, while focusing on operating safely. Finally, we understand that details matter, and always keep our customers' needs in mind when engineering solutions that make a difference to their business. As a global organization, Linde also understands that embracing diversity leads to our people delivering the most superior solutions and customer service. But we can go further. That's where you come in. We're looking for a new generation of leaders that are as committed to delivering real innovation as we are. Linde offers you the resources to make an impact, but it's up to you to decide how to affect change in the world. Are you ready to take the lead? Apply with us today.